God, she can't bloody see. That woman, she was peering through a small hole. Where are you going? Well, this is nice. Lovely little village. Coming down North Street at the moment. So yeah, this is nice. Typical quintessential English village, especially quintessential Surrey village, probably more than a regular one, but it's lovely here. Well, this looks lovely. Great views from here. I love the autumn colours as well. The little map view has decided to start playing up again. It doesn't like being switched away from that little mini map view. So when you come down to this full map view down here and then try and go back up, it doesn't want to know, and it just sends you all over the place. I'll show you. See what's happening with that map? It's gone. We're now in the midst of nowhere, a big white wasteland. The other thing is that it seems to be not able to work out how long it's going to take you to get where you're going. See, look at that, we've just gone flying over a road or something. It's just gone completely wank, so that's not very good. Go back down to the navigation view and we're alright then. See, look, the map's perfect. And as if by magic, the little mini map just arrived back again. I pressed the menu button by mistake rather than the windscreen adjuster, and lo and behold, we're back with the little mini map view. So I don't know what's going on there. Maybe it's just taken a while to bed in, who can tell. Well, this is lovely. Fabulous views around here. Just come up around those nice bends. Held up a bit by a BMW car that was thinking it was a bit sporty than it was. I think we're coming up towards the White Waste Cafe or whatever it's called, I think, at the moment. Certainly recognisable. We've still got about another 9 miles to go to our destination at Angry Minge. Yeah, there we go. That is the cafe. Hello everyone. GoPro, stop recording.